Hey guys, 2022 Ford F-250 diesel, rebuilt title, front end damage, tiny little damage right there on that rear part of the bed, but most of it was hit right here. All fixed up. Got 2 keys for this one. Oh, 133,000 miles. Cruise. All your lights. All your mirrors. Move forward and backward. Power fold. 4-wheel drive, locking diff, heated cooled seats, backup camera, exhaust brake, downhill descent, navigation, Apple CarPlay, all your auxiliary switches. Seats in really good shape. Here's your view. Running boards down here. Your power back there. No sunroof on this one. Good Michelin tires. Blind spot monitors, rear parking sensors, fifth wheel prep, there's a little dent right there. Couple little scratches if you can see there. Little beat up.